Hey guys, it's Eric with Midwest Dental, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the filter inside of your water filter bypass. What that is that's a blue canister inside of your mechanical closet, and it houses a filter. The first thing you need to do is locate your mechanical panel and shut off the water. Next, you're going to turn the water levers parallel to the ground, and what this does is it bypasses the water filter. Next, you're going to want to press the red button on the top of the canister to release any pressure that has been built up inside. Now that the water has been shut off and the pressure has been released, you're just going to use the supplied wrench to loosen the collection canister that houses the filter. From there, you just twist it left and it should come right off. These 10-inch replacement water filters are available at any home improvement store. From there, you just pop it into the canister and you screw it on to the neck of the housing. Once the filter's in place, you're going to go ahead and use the supplied wrench to tighten the collection canister to make sure it's secure in place. From there, go ahead and turn all the valves perpendicular to the ground, which will allow the supply to return through the filter. If you have any further questions, please mention them in the comments below. Have a great day.